Let's talk business today. Every business has valuable assets. One often overlooked asset is intellectual property or IP. IP is your brainchild, your secret sauce. It's the stuff that sets you apart from the competition. Think logos, inventions, designs, even your brand name. These are all forms of IP. And just like any valuable asset, you need to protect it. That's where IP audits come in. An IP audit is like a health checkup for your business's IP. It helps you identify, assess, and strategize around your valuable intangible assets. It's about understanding what you have, how strong it is, and how to maximize its value. Because let's face it, in the business world, knowledge is power, and protecting your IP is just plain smart business. So, why should you care about IP audits? Here's the deal: they can make or break your business. First off, an IP audit helps you identify and protect your inventions, designs, and creative works. This means you can stop others from stealing your ideas and profiting from your hard work. Second, a solid IP strategy can give you a competitive edge. By securing patents or trademarks, you can prevent others from using your innovations, giving you a leg up in the market. Third, understanding your IP can unlock hidden value. You might discover licensing opportunities or potential collaborations that you never even considered. And finally, an IP audit helps you avoid legal troubles. By identifying potential infringement risks early on, you can take steps to mitigate them and stay on the right side of the law. Let me give you some real-world examples. Remember the fidget spinner craze? The inventor who secured a patent made a fortune. Those who didn't? They were left kicking themselves. Or take the music industry. Artists are fiercely protective of their copyrights. Why? Because it ensures they get paid when their music is used. It's their livelihood. Even small businesses benefit from IP audits. A local bakery, for example, might discover they can trademark their unique logo and recipes, protecting their brand and secret ingredients. That's valuable. These examples show that IP audits aren't just for big corporations. They're crucial for businesses of all shapes and sizes. Section 4 Red Alert: when your business needs an IP audit. Stat. Now, you might be wondering, when is the best time for an IP audit? This is a crucial question for any business owner or manager. The answer is simple: it's always a good time. Regular audits ensure your intellectual property is always protected. But there are certain key moments when it's absolutely critical. These moments can define the future of your business. If you're launching a new product or service, an IP audit can help you secure the necessary protections from the get-go. This ensures your innovations are safeguarded. Don't wait until someone else tries to claim your idea as their own. Proactive measures can save you from legal battles. Planning a merger or acquisition? This is another critical juncture. An IP audit is non-negotiable. It ensures all intellectual property is accounted for and valued correctly. You need to know exactly what you're getting into and what IP assets are involved. This knowledge is power. It's like checking under the hood before buying a car. Expanding internationally? This is another scenario where an IP audit is essential. IP laws vary from country to country. Understanding these differences can prevent costly mistakes. An audit can help you navigate these complexities and ensure your IP is protected in new markets. This is crucial for global success. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. This applies to your business's intellectual property as well. Regular IP audits are like regular checkups for your business. They keep your business in good health. They help you stay healthy and avoid costly problems down the line. Investing in regular audits is investing in your business's future. Section 5 Unlocking the Vault: Steps to an Effective IP Audit. So, how do you actually conduct an IP audit? Let's break it down step by step. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. With a clear plan, it can be quite manageable. Here's a simplified breakdown of the key steps you need to follow first. Start by taking stock of all your IP assets. This is your foundation. This includes everything from patents and trademarks to copyrights and trade secrets. Don't leave anything out. Next, make sure you have proper documentation for all your IP. This is crucial for legal protection. This includes registration certificates, agreements, and any other relevant paperwork. Keep them organized and accessible. Then, assess the strength and enforceability of your IP rights. Are your patents up to date? Are they still relevant? Are your trademarks registered in the right classes? This ensures they are protected in the correct markets. After that, develop an IP strategy that aligns with your business goals. This is where you plan for the future. This might involve filing for new IP protection, licensing your existing IP, or even pursuing infringers. Each step is vital. Finally, regularly review and update your IP portfolio. This keeps your assets protected and relevant. The business world is constantly evolving, and your IP strategy needs to keep pace. Stay proactive and vigilant. Section 6 IP audit mishaps. Don't let these be you. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes businesses make when it comes to IP audits. These errors can be costly and detrimental to your business's success. Avoid these pitfalls, and you'll be ahead of the game. Being proactive can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. Mistake number 1: ignoring the importance of IP altogether. Many businesses overlook this critical aspect. This is like leaving your front door unlocked and hoping for the best. Don't do it. Secure your intellectual property as you would your physical assets. Mistake number 2: thinking IP audits are only for big corporations. Wrong. Small businesses are equally at risk. As we've seen, businesses of all sizes can benefit from protecting their intellectual property. It's essential for growth and sustainability. Mistake number 3: failing to document IP properly. Proper documentation is crucial for legal protection. Remember, if it's not documented, it's like it doesn't exist. Keep thorough records of your IP assets. So, there you have it. IP audits are more than just a checklist, they're a powerful tool for maximizing your business's potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have questions about IP audits or any other IPR topic? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep innovating and protecting your ideas. Bye.